Hi my creative minds, welcome here in this channel. This is Arpita here and you are watching my channel Pratikritya Creative Mind. Welcome to my channel. And to those who are new to my channel, this is a channel about art and craft and discussing all about the creative ideas and some tutorials also. So stay tuned with me. I am going to tell you about one unique very much famous art form that is very unique in its style and very much cultural and very much ancient also in this style. Yes, I am talking about the Keralian art form that is called or that is famous as the Kerala mural painting. So let's start. As always, I will go first for the history or the origin of this art form. Then I will go for the practical work also. This art form is mostly found in the state of Kerala in India during 9th and 12th century. In earlier times, these mural artists were the patronages of the Keralian rulers. But after independence in 1947, this art form spread throughout the world and has gained a vast popularity. So, in a word, this is very ancient art form. In that earlier times, the murals were done only on the walls of the house or especially in the temple walls. But in present days, murals are done on any kind of canvas, be it a fabric or be it a paper or be it a wall, any kind of canvas is used. So canvas making is a very unique process or very hard task in that time, not today but that time. And this famous art form goes through 4 different steps of techniques to create a unique form of this art. First, they prepare the wall or the canvas, actually the ground, that is mainly laterite or the granite walls, and then they sketches the outlines of that painting. After doing that outlines, third step is coloring, and for the colors they only use the natural colors also. I will discuss it thoroughly in this video while doing the practical work. And the fourth stage is making the finishing lines or making the finishing details to this painting. So these are the 4 steps of this painting. So here I am drawing a Devi, that is Saraswati idol, which is already sketched by me. Now I am drawing these outlines with burnt sienna and red. As I said, for preparing the wall or the 4 steps of the painting, that is first stage is the preparing the wall. For preparing the wall, which is the canvas for these paintings, the artists make a mixture of lime and clean sand in a particular ratio. Then they again coat the wall with the same mixture along with some cotton to give the wall just a white texture. After that, they give several washes with a mixture of quick lime and soft coconut waters. Thus they make their suitable canvas for painting. Now it's time for making the coloring. For coloring, they use obviously natural ingredients like laterite for red color, yellow laterite for yellow colors, white colors comes from the lime and black colors comes from the smoke. which is made from the oil lamp. And for the blue and green color, they often use the Indian indigo. Sometimes the extracts of the neem trees are also used. Actually, they believe in the basic 5 colors that is called Panchavarna, that is black, white, red, yellow and green or blue or greenish blue. According to the Hindu mythology or scriptures, characters are seen colored as their characteristics here. Like the evil or the bad characteristics are colored with black or white, and the divine personas are colored in green, and those characters who are powerful and materialistic in their characteristics are colored in red or yellow or golden shade or greenish blue. Okay. Now here I am starting with the filling of the areas. Already I have sketched the outlines with brownish color. Now I am using the yellow ochre and it is mixed up with red. What I have forgotten to say at the beginning, that what materials do we use? First we need the materials. Here I am using a 0.3 or 0.1 or 0.2 size of brushes, paper that is A4 size of paper, and of course the pencil and eraser and those colors of which I have already told you, the Panchavarna colors. Here I am using the poster colors. So, mural paintings are very artistic in their own way. Such floral-like patterns are very common in this art form. When the sketching is done, you can trace the picture with any dark pencil or your marker pen, but here I feel no need of doing that, as my drawing is quite darkly sketched and I have already made my outlines with brownish color. Now it's time for coloring and I am doing the color. First you need to fill the border areas of the characters with the color washing technique. Here just watch how I am filling the areas with flat colors, and then I will wash my brush into water and just wipe out the extra colors. Remember, you have to wipe the extra colors only from the center part of the character or center part of the area, filled up area. And of course, this should have done while your filled up area is still wet. Here I am using a little bit of white color with the poster colors while wiping or removing the extra colors, just to make the color much more bright and soft. And now when all the fillings are done, done, now I will make the outlines of each part or area, and then I will just smudge that outline with the earlier color by using brush washing technique, and again with this type of dots. And always be careful of that soft smudging with dots. I am just using very little dots, somewhere lighter and somewhere deeper dots, and thus I am creating the smudging. Please note that use always the same darker shade for the same filled up area. Just like here, I am using a brownish shade, darker shade for this yellowish or brownish part. So the style is exactly that the central part of each part will be lighter and the edges of each part will be more darker, just like this painting. Please watch how I am creating the dots with my brush. After finishing the dots, now what I have left, that the background is still white. Now I will fill the background with some yellowish color. You can use blue or green or red, any color according to your choice. Here I am using yellow color, yellow ochre actually. Just filling off the background. So yeah, almost done. I have already done. How is it, guys? Please tell me.